Hi, preparatory stage. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will make a quick revise on tenses, and then the next video, I will give you the practicing on reading. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, I will make a quick revise on the two tenses that I started last video, present simple and present continuous. Then I go to the new tense today. Let's go to remind you what we told before. Here is we talk about the present simple tense. And we know last video that present simple tense is used for what? The usage of this tense, it will be for facts, habits, and routines. Okay. And when and the formula of this tense, it will be what? Adding s to the verb like this. He plays, Ali studies, watches. Okay. This is the usage of this tense. Okay. When we have I, you, we, they, don't take s. This is the formula of this tense. Okay. And we know in this tense, what are the keywords of this tense? Let's remember us with the tenses with the keywords of this tense. It will be here what? Always, usually, often, sometimes. The keywords of this tense, I would like to remember you with it. Adverbs of frequency. It will be always, sometimes, usually, never, and so on. And we know, and during the lesson we know that always means the habit happened in what? In 100%, and never the habit don't happen at all. Okay, it will be 0%. Okay, that is we know it last video. Okay, I would like to answer the questions below this tense to practicing on what we took before. He space English every day, so it will be here what is the correct answer here? It will be studies. He doesn't what? He doesn't go. As we told you before, that when we have the helping verb does, so that the tense must be in what? In the infinitive form. In the what? In the infinitive form. In using did, in using does, and when we use did in the past simple, later we took the past simple, did plus also the infinitive form. So in these cases, we put did or didn't, did or didn't, and we put didn't and put the verb in the infinitive form like this. Like this. Here we say he doesn't go. They space write letters. Here is what is the verb here? It will be here don't. She space ready for the exam. It will be here as the verb to be here is the main verb. So it will be here. She isn't ready, not doesn't. Why doesn't here? Because doesn't here is the helping verb, and there isn't a main verb here. So the main verb here, it will be isn't. He always space his bed. Here is he always what? He always makes, means tidy his bed. He tidies his bed. Space, you like, yes, I do. So the answer here, it will be, so the question here, it will be do. Okay, let's go to another item. I will make a revise on present simple and present continuous. Then I go to the past simple now. So I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here is we have, here is the answer. It will be, here is the correct verb. Here it will be plays. I take place, no, take play. I will omit s and adding the correct verb by adding. Here is a lesson. So it will be here don't, not doesn't. Why? Because as I remember you that he, she, it in verb to do, he, she, it. He, she, it. He, she, it takes. He, she, it take does. And you, we, they, you, we, they, and all. Take what? You, we, they, and I. Take what? Take do. Okay? So there is the difference between do and does. So here when we talk about the does as a helping verb, he, she, it take does, but are you, we, they take to. Okay, this is the difference between both in both cases. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is do, play, he play football on Mondays. It will be, I replace do by what? By does here. I replace do by does. He never writes. Here is you. So I replace does by do here. Here is always. So the answer it will be he's always ready. He's always ready to be here. He's always ready. He's always ready. Doesn't here I omit es at any case. Okay, let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here is this is the what this is a present simple tense. I will go now. I go to the past simple to revise the present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is the tense expressing the action that is happening now. Okay, like this. What is the keywords of this tense? It will be now, at the moment, now, at the moment, today. All these tenses is the action that's happening now. Now, at this moment, and today. All these are the keywords of present continuous tense. The formula of this tense, it will be am is are plus verb plus adding ing to the verb. This is, we took it before in, and we have less when we say lesson, when we say look, all these verbs take what? Take the present continuous tense. Let's practice by exercise here. Look, the boy is spaced with matches. Here is what I put here. I put here what? Here is look. So I say look in the past or in the present simple. No, I make you. I will take you to pay attention. Look, the boys what? The boys are playing. So I talk about something happening now. I'm busy at the moment. I'm space here to be. I'm writing the email. We are doing an experiment and space notes. And here's and make and what and making notes. Here is doing and making. I space my cousins tomorrow. We have arranged everything. I'm meeting my cousins. Here we say tomorrow. Here we say tomorrow. I'm meeting. We have arranged everything. We have arranged everything. So here it will be. Here is no. I think it's. I'm going. So it's correct. I'm meeting, not I'm going. I'm going to. When we say I'm going to meet, not to, I'm going. Meeting is wrong. Okay, because I have misunderstanding, because here is not when we say I'm going to meet, because this is present continuous expressing future. But the correct answer, it will be this one, number C. I'm meeting my cousins tomorrow. Here is Basant space to Luxor next month. Here is what is traveling. Where is Ali? In his room. He pays his homework. He is doing his homework. The temperature is getting higher. Okay. So now we know how to do the present continuous tense. Also, let's go to another item here. Item here. It will be here. What? Let's go. Let's do this exercise. This is kind of exercise that comes in the exam. He pays owing a car. So the answer here, it would be he's owing. It's not he's owing a car. Is not isn't have a correct, because he takes is okay. He is correct here. In this one is correct. He is we are waiting. We're waiting. Here is we are waiting. I correct the verb here. We are waiting. The girl is singing. Listen, the girl sing. So here, when we say listen, when we say listen, look, anything, anything like look, like listen, means I will make you pay attention to me for what I'm doing. Okay, here is it will be here. Is he having his dinner? Is he having his dinner? Why? Because here I return the verb to the infinitive. Is he having dinner? Because here is the stem of this verb. It will be having. Why? Because I omit can't say having. Having is not correct. And I have he is. So I return the verb to the stem to put the verb in ing form. Okay. The woman is crossing the street. Crossing the street. Okay. Let's go to another one. So here we end from the present continuous tense. Today we are explaining a new tense, which is the past simple tense. When we use this tense, to expressing action happened and ended in the past. Okay. I would like to say something preparatory stage. I explained these tenses before on courses on the channel. Okay. If you want to know more about these tenses, you can return to the videos and revise what I told before. Happened and ended in the past. Okay. Happened and ended in the past. Okay. So when we use the past simple tense, we use the past simple tense to express action happened and ended in what? In the past. Let's go to another item here. Okay, this is the usage of this tense. Okay, so this tense, the formula of this tense. What is the formula of this tense? Adding ed to the verb, and we have some irregular verbs. You can keep it. Okay, like this: cut, write, road, buy, boat, sell, sold, and so on. Okay, what can we do in the irregular verbs? You can keep it from the extra books and textbooks. Okay, this is the what we would like to from you in the irregular verb. The regular verb adding ed to the verb like this. We have like what? She arrived, they studied, he watched. So some of you saying, Miss Iman, what is the keywords of this tense? The keywords of this tense, it will be ago, last, and yesterday. Ago. The keywords of this tense, it will be here: ago, last, it will be here: ago, last, and yesterday. Okay, this is the keywords of this tense. Okay. And I would like to explain it in the simplest way. When we put did or didn't, we put the verb in what? In the stem form, as we do in the present simple. When we put this does or did, does or do, we put the verb in the stem form. Then we have the same thing here in the past form. We put did and put the verb in the past form. Okay, like this. Here we say, did he visit? So here we have did, not say did he visited. When we say did he visited, don't say did he visited. What can we have when we put this when we make this in the exam? It will be what? It will be here 0. As we told you before, 0. Why 0, Miss Iman? Because as we told you before, that did omit what? Replaced the ed form. So we must put did and put the verb in the stem form or the infinitive form. Okay, don't say did he visit it, or we say when you say no she didn't write, or don't say no she didn't wrote. If we do this also, it will be here 0. If I wrote here, it will be here 0, because some of you sometimes make this mistake. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, so what can we put when we put did in the negative form on the question form? We must put the verb in the what? In the infinitive form or in the stem form. Okay, this is the rule that we must agree with each other for it. Okay, let's continue the rest of the tense to end from this tense today. There is the keywords of this tense. It will be here: ago, last, yesterday, once, in the past, in any year in the past. Here we have we are in what? We are in 2025. If we talk about 2024, it will be past. Yes. If we talk about 2022, past. If we talk about 2023, But yes, so when we talk about 20 about any year before the year we are in, so it's what it be in the past. So the keywords of this tense, it will be ago, last, yesterday, once, in the past, and any year in the past. Let's do this exercise together to practice for what we take in this lesson. Okay, here we have, I would like when we answer in the exam, you can see, you can take care from the keywords of the tense that we selected. Okay, because some of you can take care from the keywords of the tenses. Okay, we must keep the keywords of the tenses to be easy to answer in the exam. Here we have last month. So when I see last, so this means what? Means the verb, it will be what? It will be in the past form. Let's do this together. They space to the museum last month, so it will be here they went. Another one, when space Basant's birthday. Here is to be. I talk about the Basant's birthday. To be here when was Basant's birthday. It will be here not did. It will be here was, because I talk about what, about the past. And but was is the past, or is past of what is the verb to be, the past of verb to be. Verb to be in the past. Verb to be in the past. Okay, expressing verb to be in the past. Okay, when you talk about the verb to be in the past, was is the verb to be in the past. Let's go to another one. Here is go. Ago is the tense of what? Of the past form. Of the past form. She watched. Excellent. I went to space yesterday. I went swimming. Why here I take swimming? Because here went in the past, and this called gerund. And this called gerund. Okay, and this called gerund. Go here is okay. Okay, when we have a verb and another verb, the next verb, it will be here gerund. Why? Because here I put the verb in the past, and the next verb, it will be adding ing form to the verb. What did Abdu space when he arrived? What did Abdu space here? It will be did. So I put the verb in the stem. It will be here do. How did they space when they saw the line yesterday? How did they feel? Why feel? Because here I have did, and the verb must be in the stem form. Let's answer the rest of the questions to end from this video today. To end from this video today. Let's go to the next part of these questions, which is correct the verb. Let's go to this to correct the verb. This is correct the verb. Here is we have yesterday. So here it will be what? Here we'll go. So we'll go expressing what? Expressing future. And we have yesterday. And as we know that yesterday expressing what? Expressing the past form. So it will be here went. We went. Okay. Let's go. Listen to the music, and here's wrote. And wrote an email. Okay, and wrote an email. Here is the verb in the past, and here is the verb in the past. Here is space, you ready for the next exam. Here it will be here, did you ready? Here it will be did, as it is. It will be here did, because it's in the past. Or say was here, were you ready? I think here is did you ready? It will be were you ready? I think not did. It will be here. I think it's were you ready? Were you ready? Here is we say were you ready? Were you ready? Were you ready for the last exam? Here is sorry, not where. Were you ready? I will. Were you ready? Here it will be where. He didn't space, he didn't help. So the answer here, it will be didn't help. Okay, why? Because didn't and the verb must be in the stem form. When he was young, he sometimes watched. He sometimes watched. Here is watched TV. Sometimes watched. Here it would be here 2 hours ago. It would be here I wrote. Let's go to another one. By this part, we end from the part from explaining the past simple tense. Next class, I will start the past continuous. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.